What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Kelly Kumalo is not happy at all, and she has released a video on her social media account where she was lashing out. She's like finally tired, of people who are continuously talking behind her back but not going straight to her face. So, she in that video, in quotes, she said, "From being dragged in that dirty court to sketchy podcasts, you never cease to amaze me. It's quite simple though. If you strongly believe that I am capable of what you are accusing me of, come and get me and stop playing games. Till then, back off." So that was Kelly Kumalo speaking there, and saying, you're dragging me in this dirty court, in this sketchy podcast, you're amazing me. If I am capable of what you think I'm capable of, come and get me instead of playing games with me. So Kelly Kumalo tried to keep quiet, but she has finally figured out, what? She has to come out and really speak to these people directly. Because the challenge that is out there, is that people are accusing her, judging her without any evidence whatsoever, simply because she was boyfriend to Senzo Meyiwa, simply because she was inside the house, and that's why people are accusing her. But the reason why this is going round and round in circles, is because people believe that if she didn't do it, then she definitely knows who did it, and she is somehow hiding or shielding that person. So that's why, these issues are continuously going round and round in circles. I'll catch you guys on the next one.